Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Fluid Technologies. In my last video I will show you the unboxing of Brothers label printer. In this video I will show you how to operate it and how to take the printer or labels through your mobile phone or through your laptop. So we will do the demo. I will show you how to use it with the software. It's a built-in software of this label printer, and in that software I will show you the how you can attach your database, your like SQL Server, your Excel file, and other sources you have supported in this brother printer. You and I will let you know how to install this label tape. So let's install the label tape. This is the label tape. I am going to install it. You need to care about this part should be here, this area, not outside. The label should be inside this tape here. So you now need to install this, and tape is white, black on white, and you need to install it like this and put it here and press it. And now just need to put the cover. And this is installed. And now you can directly print from your PC. Okay, I'm going to tell you about this Brothers model PTE550. It's a label printer, and we will check how to operate it and how we can use database with it, and how can we attach Excel files or CSV files with this, and how we can print different kinds of label, and how we can make QR codes, barcodes, and these will be covered in it. And there are so many labels you can made in it, like faceplate, like you can make network labeling, you can do power modules and power related, and you can use it for outdoors. And you can there are different kinds of tapes. We will discuss it in next video about the tapes, what kind of tapes we can use, and how many different kinds of tapes are available in this label printer. So let's start with the application. I will show you this new application which is with this brother printer, and that is P-Touch editor, and there are two kind of uh, modules in it, and one is Express and the other one is Professional. So let's move to the software, and we can. So I'm telling you how to use this PTouch editor to make your labels. You can use also database from Excel or SQL Server or any other access databases. You can access your data, and you can make barcodes through this PTouch editor for your brother's label printer. So let's start the video. There you can see there are two tabs here. There's one is Express and the other one is Professional. So we can use Professional because we need to connect also our Excel or CSV or other databases to our Professional mod. And this mod you can get data from your databases also. So here you can see there are different kind of labels you can insert, and barcode is also available. You can use frames, tables, images, clip art, screen cuts, and screen capture, you can also use symbols, pictures, and date and time and everything. There are so more options over here, and you can explore it in later. So here we start from the new one. There you can see there are so many options you have available here, and you can use different kind of uh, categories according to your use. And first is the new layout. You can make yourself if you use this option. Here are the other options available. You can see label. You can use cables. You can use albums and everything. You can use according to your use. So right now I'm going to use this predefined asset management option. Here you can see there are different kinds of predefined labels available, and you can use and modify it according to your need. So I'm selecting this one. Here you can see you can use your database, and you can connect it here, and you can get data from your database. If you don't want to use it, cancel. You can write it here, anything. Like I write notebook computer, and you can write here anything like department. You can modify according to your use. I use write it department. And this is you can write any asset number, equipment number you want to use. This is the example. You can use any other data. You can modify this frame also. You can modify this text over here. There are text of colors, bold, italic, everything is available here. You can use shadow, anything you can use. So I'm going to, this is the simple option, and there's other options. You can connect the clips, you can use pictures, you can drag pictures from your own pictures, you can drag also here. You can use symbols, you can use date and time, make a picture, calendar, everything, text, barcode, these are the options. So I'm going to show you how you can connect your database. That is the most frequent use options that you can save your database, your tags one time, and you can print it in one time, and your label printer will also cut it according to your the labels in one time. If you have more than 100 labels, you can use this. You can use database to access all your data through labels, and you can print as the desired labels you want to print. So how to connect to your database? I'm going to tell you how to connect to your. So here I'm going to connect to database. You can go to file, you connect data. I'm going to connect data from the Excel file. This is my file. And next, and this here you can it tell you about your according to your design what field you want to connect with it. For example, this database, I want to connect this description option. So I select it here. And for example, this department, what I want to show it here. For example, I want to show it here location. Here, the admin, I want to show the utilization date. And the fields in your database, you can connect accordingly. And here I can connect this one. And here I can connect this one. So when I do OK, it will change this according to my data, and I do next, and it is changing my data. The same is you can use barcode, and we need to do some space over here. I will select Control A, and we can use Shift arrow. So here you can use this barcode or any QR code and any other labels you can use. From here there are different kinds of protocol available and how you can connect it with according to your data. First you need to do here you can see there is no data from the database to select on this QR code. The database data will be should be show here. So first we need to do what? We need to do select this icon, go to database, connect database field and add what information we want in our QR code or any label code. So we have to put it here. So what there's option you can use comma to show a separate data or you can use enter to show every line in a separate line. So I'm using this option. I do enter and I use this one. I press OK and this add to my label. So the next step you have to click here and you have to go to insert and select database field and here you select barcode and you select this option and you click OK. What it do? It make this label here. Here you can modify. Now you can see your first option. The data you have entered it here. It shows in your barcode like this. And you can use any barcode. You can change it like this. We have so many options, and you can change any. Right now I'm using QR code. There's micro also, and there's also some options like you make it medium, so it will be large. And if you want, if your size, you want minimum size, you can change the size over here. And the other, this is the position. You can change the position from horizontal, vertical, height, width over here, degrees. Expand. Here you can see now your database is connected here. So you can add it in later if you want to change it anytime. So my information is available here. When I change it, it will change my barcode like this. And when you read it, it will show the same information in your QR code. So this is the options to use barcode in your label printer and you can change anything. You have so many options. You can go to print and you make print over here. Here are two options which I can show you. This is selected my printer on USB connectivity. The first one is AutoCut. AutoCut means in after every label it cuts it separate automatically. This is output directly to the pen driver. You select this option if you want to uh, print only this record. You select current option. If you want to select all records 1 to 4, there are 4 records in our database. If you print and it will cut it separately. If you don't want auto cut, the first blank area it will not cut. So this is the difference. It will cut properly according to your tag size. So label will be also QR code or your label is also print in your code and it is a transparent on this label tape and this is very good. I have tested it outside. I have tested it inside for asset management and any other uh, tagging. And it's good. I have tested it with water and with lighter, like heat, some heat, given it to heat. And tested it's very good. It's very rough and tough, and you can use it outer area, and you can use it also in your building assets. There are so many other tapes you can use for your fabric and other materials which you want to label. So there are different kind of tapes, and these are available on the website. And I will share the link in my video, so you can check it from there. There are different kind of tapes, and there's different kind of size according to your need. You can buy and you can use with it this label printer. So okay, I set up this Wi-Fi connectivity. How to connect with your this label printer with your Wi-Fi? You just need to click on the menu, and you will see this option. There are so many options, but you select, you go to WAN option and you press OK. Go to network setting, go to infrastructure mode. Here you select set a visit and you select it OK, and it will search the Wi-Fi, available Wi-Fi in your network. Like I have connected this one already with my this is already connected with my brother printer. Let me connect it and check it again. And this is my Wi-Fi. Press it OK, and I write it password over here. Put the password, and now it's connecting to my Wi-Fi. Here you can see this connected with my Wi-Fi. There is a sign over here. And this is now connected with my Wi-Fi. And now we're going to open it with the app.